about emergency measures we're taking in light of this week's blizzard. I have announced a citywide parking ban effective from 6 p.m. Monday until noon on Thursday. The parking ban includes downtown New Haven, the area encircled by Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, State Street, Grove Street, and Howe Street, posted snow emergency routes, and the odd-numbered sides of all other city streets. Free alternative parking is available in New Haven public school lots, city parking lots, the Granite Square parking garage, and for a $3 per day fee at the Temple Street parking garage. Residents are also reminded the neighborhood parking remains permissible on the even-numbered side of the streets. In addition, I'm asking all residents to abide by the State of Connecticut emergency declaration that bans all travel after 9 p.m. Monday. New Haven residents can direct all storm-related inquiries to the city's Office of Emergency Management at 203-946-8221 or the city's snow line at 203-946-SNOW or 203-946-7669. New Haven is well prepared for a coordinated, comprehensive response to this snowstorm, and that response will be all the more effective with cooperation from city residents. Beyond the parking ban and the alternative parking made available, we're asking those with extra driveway space to allow neighbors to park there, and we're asking local businesses as well with parking lots to make those available as well. To the extent that we work together, we'll minimize the inconvenience and disruption potential of this storm and maximize public safety. Thank you very much for your cooperation.